Hello, I'm Adriana, a virtual assistant at Adrian Group. Today, I will explain the principle of adiabatic cooling, which uses a natural phenomenon similar to the effect we feel near a lake or by the sea. You'll probably agree with me that the air near bodies of water is noticeably cooler thanks to the evaporation of water. This principle is the foundation of a technology that does not use chemical refrigerants or noisy compressors. In our cooling units, warm air passes through moistened filter panels. When the warm air comes into contact with the wet surface of the filter, the water evaporates as it absorbs heat from the air. This results in the natural cooling of the air, typically by 10 to 12 degrees Celsius. In our ADRIAN-AIR cooling units, fans and pumps operate to ensure the distribution of water and air. Now, let's take a look inside the cooling unit. Here, the air is both cooled and cleaned. The fresh breeze prepared in the unit continuously enters the interior of the building, improving working conditions. This is an energy-efficient process. From 1 kilowatt of electrical energy, it is possible to obtain up to 25 kilowatts of cooling power. The cooling unit is therefore many times more efficient compared to conventional air conditioning, and it is also many times cheaper. Take a look at our calculation for an outdoor temperature of 30 degrees Celsius and air humidity of 40%. Operating the unit, which provides the same cooling effect as air conditioning, is 10 times cheaper. This table shows the theoretical temperatures that can be achieved through cooling. The system works best in drier climates, but a properly designed system will ensure reliable cooling even in moderately humid areas. Its uses are diverse, ranging from production halls and warehouses to sports facilities and food service operations. The cooling unit can be installed in 3 different ways. On the ground. This is the simplest option in terms of installation and maintenance. It is recommended to use brackets that prevent dust from being drawn in from the ground and protect the unit from rain or snow. The second option is wall mounting. This setup saves space, but with side discharge, the unit's performance decreases by a quarter. The third option is roof installation. This is used for walkable roofs with safe and easy access. Compared to standard air conditioners, cooling is more affordable both in terms of initial investment and operation, which is several times cheaper. Here is just a small preview of our recent projects. At the engineering company Porsche Werkzeugbau, we implemented 8 cooling units with a central control system. At ITOSS, cooled air is efficiently distributed through ductwork directly to the operators' workstations. Cooling units are used not only in industry. For a major cattle breeder in Slovakia, Agroban, we provided air cooling in the so-called maternity barn. In June 25, we successfully completed the installation of 18 units at Roffelsen Plastic, Slovakia. Would you like to know more? Are you interested in a proposal or an expert assessment? Don't hesitate, we're here for you. Adrian Group, modern cooling that makes sense.